Hi friends, welcome to H&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you about car decorative light. So this type of light you can get it from Amazon or Flipkart, and it is not so costly. It will be about 250 to 300 rupees maximum. So you can purchase it from there. You can also purchase a little bit good quality. It will worth about not more than 450 rupees. So today I will show you about the product. I will show the details of the product, and I will show how to install in the car. So let's have a look into the product first. So friends, here is the product. You can see it here. From my viewpoint, the build quality is not so bad. It is quite good. You will get wire like this type of wire, and it is provided with off-on switches, 4 numbers of LEDs strip, and it consists of about 12 LEDs. You can see it here. There is 4 strips, and you will also get a remote. So let's have a look into the product. So the product is not bad. Compared to the price, it is a good product I have seen, and each and every strip is fitted with a adhesive strip to install it in your car. Here is the main control box. It consists of IR sensor. You can see it here. IR sensor is provided, and another thing is the total system work with music. It is already written here: music, IR controller, out, IR whatsoever. So as soon you switch on your music system, the total lighting system will glow according to the music. So I think at a price of 250 to 300 rupees or maximum 450 rupees, this product is a quite good product. So I will test it. So let's have a look of the product. So now I will test it and install it in my car. So first of all, you must test this product, because if there is any short circuit in this product, it may damage your car fuses. So first check it externally and then install it. This is however my recommendations. So friends, I have completed the installation part. You can see it here. It is looking amazing. You can change the color with the help of remote. I'm just changing the color. You can see it here. So the product is amazing. So friend, to start the system, you have to first start your car, and after that you have to put on this light. This light switch is connected with cigarette lighter, and it is plug and play type. So now just with the help of remote, put the system on. So our remote is provided. You can see it here, and the main thing is the total system is plug and play type, and it is response to sound system. So when I will talk, it will start blinking. You can see it here. I have kept the remote, so as per my voice and my uh, sound quality, it will just blink, and the system is looking amazing. You can see it here. So there is a lot of options in the remote. Fade system is, if you activate the fade system, the light will change its color slowly. You can see it here. So I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations, and please press the like button if you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe S&D Innovations. Thank you.